y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time checking it out, and happy May. I cannot believe it is already May 1st. Even though it's a new month, we still have the same promotional sale carrying over from last week at Kroger, which is the 5-time digital coupon event. As you can clearly see, I have my helper with me today, so we're going to be showing you all new deals that you can do this week for that 5-time digital coupon event. Well, my helper is getting antsy, and we have over 20 new deals to share with y'all this week, so let's get to it. Alright, y'all already know we have to start with our sale deals, and these deals do not require any coupons. These fresh Heritage Farmed split chicken breasts are on sale for $1.49 a pound this week. That's a pretty good price on chicken breasts, and the next cheapest competitor that I could find was at Aldi for $1.99 per pound. The next sale deal that we have is for brisket. My store has a limit of 2, but they are on sale this week for $2.99 per pound. The next cheapest competitor was Walmart for $3.46 per pound. Now let's move on to our weekly digital deals. First up, we have this Persil, the active wear clean variety. It is regular $12.99 on sale, but with the weekly digital deal coupon, this 100-ounce jug is only $9.99. So you'll pay the $9.99 out of pocket, but then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $3.50 cash back. That makes the final net total for the jug of Persil just $6.49. And just as a quick reminder, you have to clip the digital coupon found in your Kroger app in order to score these weekly digital deals at the sale price. Also, weekly digital deal coupons are limit 5 in a single transaction. So if you want, you can also do this deal too. You can grab a 32 count pack of the Persil Ultra Packs. They're on sale for $12.99, and with the weekly digital deal coupon, it's $9.99. You'll pay the $9.99 out of pocket, but then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $3 cash back, making your final net total for the packs $6.99. Also, if you're not currently saving with Ibotta, I do have a link down in the description below where you can sign up, and when you sign up, you will unlock a welcome bonus. So not a whole lot as far as our sale and weekly digital deals go for this week, but we have a ton of awesome coupon and rebate deals, so let's get into those. This is a great deal, so obviously my store is out, but these Snapple Element juices, the Sun variety, it has to be the Sun. These are regular $1.89, but when you buy 5 or more, you're going to get them for 99 cents each. So each juice would be 99 cents out of pocket, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $1 back for each one, up to 5, making them all free. Next up, we have this Señor Rico's rice pudding for $1.29, and in the Kroger app, we have a $1 digital coupon, making this just 29 cents out of pocket. These Townhouse Flip Sides Minis, it has to be these exact ones right here, are $4.29. And you'll pay that out of pocket, but before you do, you're going to go into your Kroger app under Kroger Cashback and clip the $2 cashback offer. You'll pay $4.29 out of pocket, and then within the next week, you should get that $2 cash back in your Kroger Cashback account. And then you can also take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for an additional $2 cash back. After both rebates, it makes your final net total for the box of crackers just 29 cents. Both rebates have a limit of 3, so you can grab up to 3 in a single transaction for that 29-cent net total, or you can also mix and match it with the Club Minis right next to it, but I'll share that deal here in a second. We have another Snapple Elements juice deal. This is going to be for all of the other flavors that you see here. They're also 99 cents each when you buy at least 5. And kind of like the traditional mega event, you can mix and match all participating items. For this one, however, you'll pay 99 cents out of pocket, but then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta, where that rebate is for 50 cents. That makes the final net total 49 cents, and the Ibotta rebate has a limit of 2. These Old El Paso beans are $1.99, and also on promotion, when you buy one, you're going to get the second one for free. For this deal, you're going to want to pick up 4 cans and pay $3.98 out of pocket for all 4 after the instant savings promotion. You'll then want to take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $1.50 back for purchasing 3 items. And then also check your Fetch Rewards account to see what offers you have. I have this offer for 250 points or 25 cents back for each one of the products up to 3. So you'll pay $3.98 out of pocket, get back $1.50 on Ibotta, 75 cents on Fetch Rewards, which makes your final net total $1.73 for all, or 44 cents each. These Gatorade Fast Twitch energy drinks are on sale for $1.99, and we have a 5-time digital coupon, which will make each one $1.49. So let's say you just grab one, you'll pay that $1.49 out of pocket after the 5-time digital coupon, and then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back, making your final net total for one of these just 49 cents. Okay, so I mentioned with the Townhouse crackers that you can mix and match that deal with these Club Minis Parmesan garlic crackers. You can absolutely do that, just make sure you're grabbing the Parmesan garlic variety, not the original. These are also priced a little bit higher at $4.49, so after the $2 back in Kroger cash back and the $2 back on Ibotta, your final net total for a box of these is going to be 49 cents. And just to make it clear, between the Townhouse and the Club crackers, you can only grab up to 3 boxes in order to score them for 29 or 49 cents each. Up next, you want to grab 6 of either the Caesar Loaf and Topper or the Caesar Home Delights wet dog food, priced at $1.59 each. We have a 5-time digital coupon for 50 cents off, which will apply 5 times, taking off $2.50 at the register, leaving you to pay $7.54 out of pocket. You can then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta, where there is an offer for $3 cash back for purchasing 6, which makes your final net total $4.54 for all, or 76 cents each. Another super easy drink deal here, you can grab one of these Ghost hydration drinks. They're $1.99, and in the Kroger app, we have a $1 digital coupon, making one of these just 99 cents. One more thing I want to remind you guys about is that these 5-time digital coupon event coupons are store coupons, so we can also combine them with digital manufacturer coupons. An example of how that works is on these Colgate Total toothpaste. They are on sale for $3.99, and we have that $1 5-time digital coupon, plus we have a $2 digital manufacturer coupon. Both of those will come off at the register, leaving us to pay 99 cents out of pocket. My store doesn't have this marked, but this new Sara Lee Artisano Hawaiian bread is on sale for $3.79. You'll pay that out of pocket, but then check your Fetch Rewards account to see if you have this offer for 2,700 points or $2.70 cash back. That makes your final net total for the loaf of bread just $1.09, and the offer has a limit of 3. If you need some dish detergent tabs, here's a quick and easy deal for you. You can grab any variety of the finished dish tabs that I'm showing you here, priced at $4.99. And in the Kroger app, we have a $3 off digital coupon. Go ahead and clip that, enter your phone number, or scan your Kroger card at checkout. The coupon will apply, leaving you to pay $1.99 out of pocket. All right, for our next deal, these Yasso bars are $5.49, and we have a 5-time digital coupon in the Kroger app, making each box $4.49. You want to go ahead and pick up 2 boxes, and after the dollar coupon applies twice, you'll be able to pay $8.98 out of pocket for both boxes. You'll then want to take your receipt and submit it to Swagbucks for 400 Swagbucks or $4 back when you purchase 2. That makes your final net total for both $4.98 or $2.49 each. Since the coupon can be used up to 5 times in a single transaction and the Swagbucks offer is limit 2, you can grab 4 boxes and they will all be $2.49. This deal does work on select varieties only. These packs of Greenfield bacon are on sale for $5.99. You want to go ahead and pick up 2 and pay $11.98 out of pocket. You can then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $4 cash back when you purchase 2. You'll also want to check your Fetch Rewards account to see if you have this offer for 1,500 points or $1.50. It does have a limit of 3, so we're purchasing 2, so we'll get back a total of $3. After paying $11.98 out of pocket and then getting back $7 in total rebates, our final net total for both packs is $4.98 or $2.49 a pack. We have a couple of good soda deals this week. The first one is for this Canada Dry Fruit Splash Cherry Ginger Ale. You can grab either the regular or the zero sugar. They are on promotion this week. When you buy 2, you're going to get 2 for free, and they're priced at $9.99 each. So we're going to go ahead and pick up 4 packs of these and pay $19.98 out of pocket after the instant savings promotion. We're then going to take a receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $2 back, up to 3 boxes for a total of $6. That makes our final net total $13.98 or $3.50 a pack. We have a very similar deal for the Starry. They're also on promotion. When you buy 2, you're going to get 2 for free, and they're also priced at $9.99 each. You'll pay $19.98 out of pocket, but then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $1 back for each pack for a total of $4. That makes your final net total for all $15.98 or $4 a pack. It looks like we have some new nutrition shakes, and these are the Protality Nutrition Shakes. They're on sale for $9.99. And in the Kroger app, we have a $5 digital coupon that you want to clip. That will leave you to pay $4.99 out of pocket for one pack. They were heavily promoting this at my store. As you can see, there's a tear pad here with $4 coupons. So if you want to grab more than one pack, you can get $4 off, making them $5.99. Last but not least, you can grab one of these STEM flying insects light traps. This is a starter kit. It is on sale for $18.99, and in the Kroger app, we have a $10 digital coupon, leaving you to pay $8.99 out of pocket for this. That's going to do it for this week's Best Kroger Deals video, but feel free to check out last week's video as some of the coupon and rebate deals are still valid. Also, we covered a ton of deals in this video, so feel free to check out down in the description below the printable list that I have for you guys. It has all of these deals, and feel free to take that to the store with you. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.